Welcome to this 20-minute yoga infused stretch workout. Today you're going to want your mat and you're going to want a yoga block. Optional. You don't have to have that yoga block. All right, so we're going to just start with some Tai Chi. Okay, you guys, I've got to turn this music down a little bit. All right, here we go. Tai Chi breathing. So we're going to inhale, exhale, push the breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and then just exhale. Just natural breathing. Just warming it up, guys, through our Tai Chi breathing. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Take the arms forward, circle back. Circle the arms forward. Continue. Circle. Reach and lengthen. Breathe. Left leg forward. Right leg back. Hands come forward. Let's just breathe. Tai Chi breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Centering our body. Push that water. Feel your body move effortlessly. Warming our body up through breath. Hands forward, circle. Breathe and reach. Right leg forward. Take it wide. Soften in your knees. Shoulders back. Breathe. Let's roll. Almost done with our Tai Chi warm up. Press that water. Nice and fluid. Flow. Beautiful flowing movement. Breathe. Circle arms. Beautiful circles. Now side to side, reach. Take the hand behind you. Beautiful rotation. Feet hip width apart. We rolled down, 2, up, 2, down, 2. Beautiful opening. Beautiful hip opening. Upper body. One more. And lean. I gaze to the ceiling.
It's never too late to grow and find new perspectives. It's never too late to learn from and fix
Other side.
mistakes. It's never too late to be kind to another. It's never too late, so forgive and love yourself today. It's the
Take it
best
up.
day to
Deep breath
start
in.
living how you want instead of waiting for the right
And
time.
exhale. One more time. Deep breath in.
Today only happens once, so make the most of it.
And exhale. Grab your yoga block. All right. We're going to put it in front. We're going to grab that left foot. Now your yoga block can be high. Let's just grab that left foot. Right hand is coming down. Beautiful yoga, Tai Chi, infused flexibility workout. Beautiful modified dancer's pose. Take it down. Now you can have the yoga block here or high. Grab your right foot. Or you can stay right here, holding onto a chair. Hand on your yoga block. Beautiful modified dancer's pose. And come up, grab your yoga block. We're going to come to the ground. We're going to do some opening of the shoulders. So you're going to place your yoga block nice and long, or if you want, vertical or horizontal, your choice. You're going to lay on it right here, and you're going to open up through your thoracic, your rib cage. Now if you need a pillow, you can put your hands and cushion your head. Elbows come to the back of the room. We're just opening up. Arm circles. Your timing. You're opening up and through your rib cage, the front side of your body. Shoulders are opening up as you circle. If the yoga block is too much, take it off and do this whole exercise without it. Circle in your timing.
Owning all of my past mistakes, moving forward with more confidence.
One more circle.
I don't know what the future
Hands come in a T position,
but
palms
I
up.
choose to count my blessings every day.
Now you're taking your chin
Always have
to the back of the room and the front of the
who
room.
I am today.
Your timing.
Who I'm becoming. This is my life. I am my own hero. Nobody but me can decide where I will go. This is my time. No matter what life throws.
Head center. And now feet come on the ground. Grab behind one knee and come up however you're comfortable. Grab that yoga block. If you want the high end, make it nice and long. And you're just going to put it underneath your tailbone. And we're opening up and through the hips. If this is too much for you, you're just going to modify. You can put it lower. You can put the yoga block lower. So it's under your sacrum, your lumbar spine. You're feeling these hips open up. Deep stretches with the yoga block. Upper body relaxed. Now if you want it deeper, you can lengthen one leg, so back leg. Lengthen the back leg while the front knee is bent, foot on the ground. You're going to really feel that deep hip flexor stretch. If it bothers your back, take the yoga block off. Take that back leg in, take the front leg down. Deep, deep, deep stretch. And both feet in, take the yoga block off. I want you to come down. I want you to hug your knees in. Hug your knees in. Hug your knees in. Getting a nice, beautiful back stretch. Remember, yoga block is optional. Not required. Let's turn it around. Always optional with the yoga block. Now, I want you to take your back heel to your front hip. Now, if you want more, you can use your yoga block. You can come down, and I just plopped my back leg on my yoga block. And then you just go down deeper. The yoga block allows you to go deeper. If you don't like that, don't do it. Pigeon pose. If you're on that yoga block, you're deep into that glute stretch. All right, push it up. Same thing other side. Now, you don't have to have the yoga block. Take that front leg, front heel comes to the back hip. If you want more, take that foot, rest it on your lower leg on the yoga block. Ooh, wow, that is a deep stretch. Deep, deep stretch. Yoga block just intensifies the lengthening of that stretch. Breathe it through. And come up. Okay, sit. Put that right foot nice and long. Get your bend. It's going to allow you to go deeper. And just lean. Look at the leg. Reach. Put your hands on the yoga block. Hug that yoga block. Take that foot off, bend the knee, take the yoga block to the other leg. Side stretch. Take it up. Face your leg, hands on each side of the yoga block. Just hug the yoga block, each hand on each side of that yoga block. Last song, and we're done. Beautiful, deep, deep stretching. Take it up. Put the yoga block. Put your heels on the yoga block. Sit up. Fingertips to the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Hands go on each side of the yoga block.
What is behind me doesn't define me. And as my consciousness awaits,
so you're just holding the yoga block on each side.
It's what I choose. Feel the fear and do it anyways. You can move the mountains, don't even hesitate.
And come up. All right, guys, let's lay back. Put this underneath your head. Actually, nice and long. May work. So your head's hanging off. Your occipital, the back of your head, is off the yoga block. And just roll it side to side. So you're using the yoga block to just go side to side to just massage the back of your head. Side to side, working on neck mobility. Opening up through your shoulders. Side to side, take the chin, side to side. This should feel really good on the neck. Just let your head hang over, chin over. It's opening in through your shoulder too. You can arm circle. You're going to feel the lengthening. Head is hanging off the yoga block. Beautiful shoulder opening. This is how we're going to end. Oh, beautiful shoulder opening, getting really deep. Feel as your arms come over. Now keep your arms just long over your head. Feel that in your back, your rib cage. Breathe into the deepest part of the lungs. Bend in your elbow. Just hold here. Let the shoulders open. Beautiful front stretch of the body. Breathe deep. Just open the shoulders, open through the neck. Okay, hands behind your head, chin to your chest. Chin to your chest. Roll to your feet. I need that blood to flow back. When you feel good, come center. Deep breath in. Inhale. And exhale, heart center. Beautiful yoga infused with Tai Chi flow using the yoga block. Those are some deep stretches using that yoga block. If you're a woman, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, join the Fit Over 40 Women's Body, Mind, Spirit community. We are an uplifting, nurturing, and supportive group of women. Look in the description box below and click the link and join this free, uplifting, supportive, and nurturing community just for women. My name is AngieFitnessTV. I hope you join me for one of my live stream or recorded classes. Subscribe, share, and follow. Comment what you love about this class. Until next time, goodbye.